everyone, welcome to the foggy Mallalli Falls. This fall is situated at Coorg district of Karnataka. Mallalli Falls is counted as one of the popular tourist places in Coorg. It is located at a distance of around 54 km from Madikeri hill station town, 45 km from Kushalnagar and 22 km from Somwarpet. And it is well connected via roadways. Ample parking lot available here with toilet facilities and shelter space if it is raining. Now I could hear only the loud sound of the falls. It's completely white. And if it's not foggy, you could see the waterfalls from here also. You need to go down if you want to have a close-up look, but you can't enter into the water. There are around 600 plus steps to reach the falls are down, provided white concrete steps and later flat surface to reach the bottom of the falls. It may take 20-25 minutes to reach down. Provided proper railings till the end. Mallalli Falls is situated in the northern region of Kodagu district. These falls are created when the river Kumarathara drops down from a height of around 200 feet. This later flows through Kuki Subramania and merges with the Netravati river, which then empties into the Arabian Sea at Mangalore. If it's not foggy, you can see the falls at every turn. Pushpagiri viewpoint is around 8 km from here. Mallalli Falls located at the foothills of Pushpagiri mountains. While coming here, I couldn't find out any board or direction. There was a small shop at the entrance of the turning from the main road. But I'm not sure whether I missed out due to fog. But you can simply follow the Google map. There is no shops or restaurants near the falls, so better to carry food and water. There is no railway station in Coorg. The nearest railway stations to Madikeri are Mysore, Hassan, Mangalore and Kannur. Raining again and I lost the hope to get a clear picture, but later got cleared only for few minutes. A mesmerizing sight of the falls with the verdant surroundings. It is barricaded at a certain point and beyond this there is no entry. Mallalli Falls is a stunning Milky White waterfall, and it is one of the most beautiful waterfalls in Coorg. As you get more close to the falls, you can feel the cold sprinkle of water stroking your face. Enchanting view of these misty falls, surrounded by the majestic lush green hills, is really a treat for your eyes. The burble of the fall as it travels along its bed, rocks, and between the misty greenery is a soothing experience. The surroundings of the waterfall provide a spectacular view of dense green valleys and mountain ranges. Started my day at 7 a.m. Now the time is around 2:30 p.m. and it was raining the entire day, and I'm soaking wet now and started shivering. So I'm holding the camera with both hands to avoid shaking. The best time to plan a visit to the falls is post-monsoon, between the months of July and December. At this point of time, the water levels are at their highest and surge down in full force. The surrounding area will also be in lush green at this time and beautify the whole appearance. Finally, clearly visible the Milky White Mallalli Falls. Stay tuned for more Coorg videos. must-visit place for all the nature lovers. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Your feedback and suggestions are really valuable. Please do it in the comment section.